So we've got a tap today which is incredibly hard to turn. So these are an old style tap, and I'll show you how to sort these out. So first thing you need to do is turn the water off, and luckily we have an isolator down there, so I'll turn that off. Obviously that goes straight up to the hot tap we're working on. So on this one you need to unscrew this top bit, and you'll have a screw in there you need to remove. So that's off, and give that a good old wobble, and that comes off. The next bit is we need to remove this. Sometimes these are really difficult to get off, sometimes they're easy to get off. This one I can't budge it, so we need some tools. So we've got a rag over the chrome, and we're going to basically put one of these on here and undo it. So with that undone, we can now twist that off. Nasty. Okay. So we're now going to put some adjustables on there and try and take this out. Some brute force, we've managed to get that off. We've had to hold this as well as using this. But now we can loosen this completely off. So you see you've got a rubber washer on there, and that literally sits down on the top of the water and stops it from coming out. And quite often these get gummed up, so when you're turning the tap, this should move up and down. This platform should move up and down, and quite often they don't. And we'll have a look at this, see if we can WD it, get it moving again. But if not, we just go down to plumbers, parts, and these are readily available on the shelf. Well, I've tried to free it off, but it's just gummed up too much and too old, so it's easier just to go and replace it. So when you go down to a plumber's place, it's a lot easier if you take the actual handle, because it'd be easier for them to match up that spline. So we go down to our local one, which is Doug Fields. Quite often they will have a box of these, and they'll be able to match it up